Hello guys, it's Saturday today and we have a house party here at Steffi's house. Of course, she's the owner of Plaza Manila, so ayun, nandun sila. The Glam Fam and Bea, DJ Bea. We also have Abby and RJ here, and Abby. So we're just eating. Maybe later, dip in the pool. So kanina, inaatake ako ng vertigo. Late ako nakarating. Ang hirap talaga guys kapag may vertigo kasi talagang umiikot yung paningin mo as in talagang yes! Pinapasya, hindi ako nag-drink. I don't drink. I don't drink. I'm a good girl. I don't drink. Hi guys! Nalasing po si Abby Baby. Nilasing po ni Steffi, yung may-ari ng Plaza Manila. Color for hair. Glam required po yan.
Ino ba tayo?
Si Uncle.
Hi!
Hi!
Thank you, Pepper, for my hair.
Ang cute!
Parang sa mga Indian, yung pag-anak sa
Galawin mo, baby. Isa ka-erect yung hair mo.
Treated me like I was normal. Thinking of look for the blessings I can make them make a just
Party girl, si Steffi party girl. No.
niggas ain't tripping. I don't care if no house to cook. I can kill this with the blog. Education just do my job. Millions a week. I bought a house for me.
Nandito sila si Jen. Hi Jen!
It's blue and
I miss you!
Okay. Game.
Guys, may pag-gift si Governor. Highlighter and liquid lipstick from Sparkle. Hi, Gov.
Ako yung early bird, ako yung early out.
Diyan na yung Uber nila.
Nandiyan na ba?
Ha?
Nandiyan na?
Kasi 2 minutes.
Nandiyan na yung siguro sa guard.
Thank you for coming to my mansion.
Thank you!
Schooling you.
Ayan na. May ilaw. Sige.
Hello?
Ang aga kasi nila nandito guys, 7 o'clock. Eh, mga dumating na kami, 11:30 ng gabi. Ayan ata. O, ingat kayo ha. Text mo ako, Abby, kapag nakauwi na kayo ha. Message ka. Ingat, RJ. Nice meeting you. Bye-bye. Okay. So, itong bahay nila, Steffi, wala masyado tumatawi. As in, wala talaga nakatira dito. Bahay doon ng lola niya before. Ito yung may pool. So, dito kami nagpa-party before. Dito pa yung cousin ko, si Jules. Kasi siya talaga yung may barkada kay Steffi. So, I've known Steffi through him. So, yun. Balik na ako dun sa kainayan ng mga tao. Guys, ayan na. My most awaited moment of my life. I'm with the Glam Fam, pero hindi kompleto. Hi! This is, of course, you know him already. So, Helen, and Omho, and Trudy. Ay, bawal ba? Masahit. Yan, i-orient na nila ako. So kilig. Okay, game.
Si Mamshi.
Mamshi?
Glam Fam started, we were 4, and then,
Thank you so much.
parang, we just wanted the group, not really group, pero syempre, we want to uplift everybody since we share the same passion, we share the same frustration since we're all makeup artists, vloggers, stuff like that. So ayun, and then from 4, dumagdag si John Ray,
Yes.
and then si Mami Tony, ayan, there. And then, nung parang sabi namin, okay, let's have a group since we're all into beauty, we're all into vlogging, ganyan. And then, dumagdag si Helen, si Bing, and then you, si Martha. So,
Yes, oh my gosh! Grabe!
Ganyan, ganyan sa daya.
Si Brian! Oh my God, look at Brian! Before?
Ayun na. Ang tsaka ko na. Charot! Behave, wag na. Ang tsaka ko na.
Grabe oh! Guys, it's 4 a.m. I think. 3:45. At meron ng uuwi.
Kahit na. It's not about yung cat.
Ipasok ko siya ng 5 a.m.
Guys,
May buhay pa sila.
ito to, yun ang joke. Isa-isang kiss ko na kayo. Boy.
Nahatid ko lang si Bea sa labas.
Wala nang icon eh. Wala nang icon. Wala nang
Nag-enjoy naman si Bea. Matagal niya na ako niyayang lumabas. Kaya lang, naging busy ako sa work. Tapos maraming ganap sa life. May malaking mirror. Then yan yung pond. Tapos ayan, living room area. And then, let's walk. There's a grandfather clock.
Bye guys!
Bye-bye, babe. Ingat ka, pauwi. Bye-bye. Ay, mag-message kapag nakauwi ka na, ha? Bye-bye. Ingat. Balik na tayo sa loob, guys. So, ito yung entrance ng bahay ni Steffi. Diba? Pintuan pa lang. Pak na, guys. Ang lambot kasi nitong gorilla pad na to.
Joby ba yan?
Palibasa, 150 pesos.
Yung
Peko.
Joby yata yung
Yung
malakasan.
mahal naman ata yun. All I believe, this is my last night with you. Hold me like more than just a friend.
May stage ano?
Para tayo lay miserap.
Okay lang ba to?
Yung nag-ano, naglilinis. Ikaw pa rin ang inibig ko.
Ayan na!
Hindi ko na kaya mag-isa.
Ang taas nun, te. Yung finger ko. What? Aray, Regina?
So, akala ko uwian time na. Lumipat lang pala ng pwesto.
Pero ba?
Ang pag-ibig na binigay. Ikaw na ikaw. Ang pag-ibig na binigay. Akin na may kapal na kay ko.
Basta last lap na bahala sa lahat ng
pa rin kami nakaka-uwi. Ayan.
May ayaw na mga kaibigan.
Muna. So, go. Shake muna, parang ano lang yan. French fries sa McDo.
So, kumakain
The
muna
first winner is
7th birthday party ngayon ni Lace.
Sir Arcon Alvar. Arcon
Yes! Hyatt!
meron kang, of course. Yes,
Sakto-sakto yung mga mo, be.
Bilang ko to, 25.
Sheena, oh.
So, anong price ito, Sir
Maganda lang
Amber?
gumaganda.
Ayan.
Pasok.
Taga sa Sheena. Ha? Taga saan ka? Nandaluyong? Ba't ako ba? Ikali mo sabi Pink? Nagalitan?
Kain mo na ako, hindi pa ako naglalaro.
Meet Moisturizer by Ariana, Wet Dreams. The first ever black toner.
Then, ito po ay isang Korean product. Korean po siya. Actually, this closes the pores and whitens, pero hindi siya nagpipil.
Oh!
Walang peeling effect, tapos magko-close yung pores and for oily skin. Good for oily skin. So,
Ay, sakto-sakto sa mga Asian women.
Lutak soap and cream and lotion. We have, may palabas tayong lotion niya. Pag may nagbenta na hindi galing sa atin, so, pwede yun.
Yeah, at padali yung so... Hello, Miss Jane. Taga saan kayo? Marikina. The sheer capital of the Philippines.
Abby, John Ray, Marta. Sila lang yung na-met ko. Actually, lahat ng mga distributors at resellers, ngayon pa lang nila ako nakilala. O, diba? Yung team pala, I would like to thank everyone in the team. Kerwin Pua.
Doon na po ako. And enjoy the rest of our day. Thank you so much.
The man behind.
The hobo.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Picture tayo, guys.
The sunblock is black. Pero kapag in-apply mo siya sa skin, so black siya and then it will turn, ayan o, nagwa-whiten siya, adjusting to your skin. Ang galing! First in the Philippines. Yes! Nice. Galing! Hello guys! So I'm gonna be testing some products right now. So, we have the Son of a Beach, yung kaninang tinry ko na nag-white sa aking kamay when I tried it. And then we have the Night Cream. Night Cream, sobrang bango. As in, super bango niya guys. I love it. And of course, they have the Diamond Peel Bleach na favorite ko. Napaputi niya talaga yung aking mga siko at tuhod. I love it so much. And grabe yung mga nila, title, Beach Please. And then Wet Dreams. Dear Toner. Ang pangalan niya ay Boner. Very creative ng pangalan. Tapos yung whitening soap, Touch My Body.